Hello, friends! Right now, we are going to show you 5 best foldable double-decker wagon. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 5. The Timber Ridge 400L Folding Double-Decker Wagon with Brakes is a highly practical, large-capacity cart that excels for family outings, camping trips, beach days, or hauling groceries and gear. With its roomy 400-liter storage capacity, the wagon comfortably carries bulky items, coolers, chairs, camping gear, toys, or groceries, helping you transport a lot in a single trip. The double-decker design adds flexible storage space, enabling better organization of heavy and light items, which makes it easier to load and unload efficiently. A key feature is the braking system. When you're loading or unloading on a slope or uneven ground, the brakes prevent the wagon from rolling away, a nice safety touch. Despite its substantial volume, the wagon folds down compactly for easy storage or transport. The wheels roll smoothly over various surfaces, from pavement to grass, and the handle feels sturdy and comfortable to grip. Overall, the Timber Ridge wagon offers a great balance of capacity, convenience, and safety, making it a smart choice for anyone needing strong, versatile hauling solutions. Number 4. The foldable 50-inch extra-long double-decker wagon impresses as a versatile, heavy-duty cart, perfect for sports gear, outdoor trips, or everyday hauling. With a capacious 400-liter storage bin, it has enough room to carry coolers, camping equipment, sports gear, or picnic essentials. The double-decker structure helps keep gear organized. You can separate heavy items in the bottom level and lighter ones on top, which is super handy when loading and retrieving stuff. What stands out are the big wheels and the extra-long 50-inch handle. They make pulling or pushing the wagon surprisingly smooth even on grass, gravel, or uneven terrain. Once unloaded, the wagon folds compactly, so it easily fits into a car trunk or garage shelf. Despite being robust, it remains manageable and convenient to move. If you're looking for a collapsible, high-capacity wagon that balances strength, mobility, and storage, especially for sports or outdoor use, this wagon is a solid, practical choice. Number 3. The Overmont 400L Foldable Double-Decker Wagon is a practical, all-purpose cart that brings together generous capacity, portability, and versatility, perfect for weekend trips, errands, or outdoor use. With a roomy 400-liter storage compartment, it handles everything from groceries and garden supplies to picnic gear and camping items with ease. The double-deck design adds a useful second layer of storage, letting you keep items separated or carry more at once without stacking. One of the wagon's best features is the 47-inch extra-long extender handle, which improves maneuverability and lets users pull with less strain. Despite the large volume capacity, the wagon folds down relatively compactly, making it easy to store in a trunk, garage, or storage room. Wheels roll smoothly across pavement, grass, or gravel, and the structure feels stable even when reasonably loaded. Overall, this Overmont wagon offers a smart blend of capacity, convenience, and portability, a handy tool for anyone needing flexible hauling without hassle. Number 2. The double-decker wagon's 600-pound capacity and 400L collapsible sports wagon is a versatile and durable hauling solution ideal for camping, fishing trips, beach days, or any heavy-duty outdoor usage. With a 600-pound load capacity and 400-liter storage volume, this folding cart offers impressive carrying power, able to transport coolers, tents, firewood, gear, or even multiple people's supplies with ease. Its big wheels and extended 54-inch handle make maneuvering over grass, sand, or uneven terrain surprisingly smooth, a big plus for outdoor adventures or rugged environments. The collapsible design means you can fold it down for compact storage and easily fit it in a car trunk. When set up, the wagon feels stable and sturdy even under heavy load, giving confidence you won't tip over or struggle. For families, campers, or fishermen who haul bulky gear, this wagon provides a practical blend of strength, capacity, and mobility, very much worth having if you regularly haul heavy loads outdoors. Number 1. The Timber Ridge 400L Folding Double Decker Wagon with brakes impresses with its generous load capacity and thoughtful design, making it ideal for family outings, beach trips, or hauling gear to a tailgate. The wagon's sturdy double-deck construction provides ample storage space for coolers, chairs, toys, or groceries, while the folding design allows for compact storage and easy transport. Once folded, it tucks neatly into a car trunk or garage corner, a plus for anyone with limited storage. One of its standout features is the built-in brakes, which add a safety layer when loading or unloading on slopes, preventing unwanted rollaways. Maneuvering is surprisingly smooth given its size. The wheels roll evenly and handle pavement or grass without trouble. The handle feels robust and ergonomic, helping guide the wagon even when fully loaded. Overall, the Timber Ridge 400L wagon is a reliable, convenient companion for trips, chores, and outings, a worthwhile investment for anyone needing heavy-duty transport in a portable package.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.